On this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I have earned $216 using a free traffic source to promote CPA offers. So this is a very simple method that you can do wherever you are in the world. So I'm going to be showing you my secret free traffic method, and if you stick with me till the end, I'll also be showing you another traffic source that you can also use to make money with CPA offers. So this is a simple method that you can use to make money. CPA offers, they are easy to promote, so you have to pay close attention till the end of this video so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method that I'm about to show you. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, and then you are going to scroll down to my offers. So you are going to scroll down and come to offers 2. So once you come here, you are going to click on it, and you are going to, once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. I have zoomed this page so that you can see it clearly. Those of you who are watching me on mobile phone, so I've zoomed the page for you to see it clearly. So you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Make sure you select this option, mobile and desktop. So you are going to select this option. Once you select mobile and desktop, you are going to come right here, and then you are going to search for United States. So you search for US. So once you search for US, you just select United States. Once you select that, you are going to get offers that you can promote. You can see these are CPA offers that you can promote, and you know CPA offers, what they need from you is that they want you to get traffic to these offers for people to sign up with their emails and zip code so that you'll be paid. So for example, if you promote this product, when you get people to sign up with their email and zip code, you are going to earn 76 cents. So when you scroll, you can see many offers here. You can see this one. When you get people to install this app, you are going to earn 80 cents. When you scroll down, you can see there's another one right here. This one, when you get people to sign up with their email and zip code, you are going to earn $2.31. So as you can see, there are many products on this particular platform, and you can see that some offers have device specifics. So they have devices that the people have to sign up with before you are paid. So you can see this one is desktop only, this one is desktop only, you can see desktop only. So when you scroll down, you can see this one, mobile all. So we are going to be promoting products like that because people use different devices, so we are targeting all people. So you are going to select mobile all. So that means all mobile devices, any kind of phone that they are using, they can sign up for this offers, and you are going to be paid $2.57 anytime people sign up with their email and zip code. As you can see here, you can see the flag United States. So they need people from the United States to sign up for this offer. So if you get people from South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, or elsewhere to sign up for this product, you are not going to get paid. So you have to pay close attention, so that I will show you my secret method that you can use to get people from the United States to sign up for these offers for you to earn the $2.57. So once you know that, you are now going to target people from the United States. So you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from the United States to sign up for this offer. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the offer to view it before you can begin promoting it. So we are going to click on the offers. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. So this is what the people who will sign up for the product will earn. So they are going to get $1,000 PayPal gift card. So you are going to use this message to promote the offers. So when you scroll down, you can see that this is your affiliate link. This is your unique affiliate link. So you have to be promoting this particular link so that anytime you get people to sign up for this offer through this link, they can track you and then you'll be paid. You can see this is the offer, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are now going to find the traffic source that you can use to promote this product. So not all traffic is allowed. Don't sign up with your own email. Don't allow your friend to sign up, because when they do, you are not going to earn any money. So once you copy your affiliate link, you are just going to come to Bitly and you are going to customize this link. So you are going to come to Bitly. You can sign up for a free account. As you can see, this is my own free account. So when you sign up for a free account, you can use it to customize your link the way you want. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on create once you have your Bitly account. Once you click on create here, you are going to paste your link here. Once you paste it here, you are going to click on create so that you can create your customized link. So as you can see, this is the Bitly link, and what you are going to do is that we are going to delete the first letter so that we can customize it. So we are going to delete this and we are going to put our own custom text here. Get a free PayPal gift card today. So we are going to add numbers so that our link can be customized. So we are going to add numbers here. So get a free PayPal gift card today. So you are going to customize your link like this, or you can put your own text here if you don't like something like this. So once you customize your link, you are going to click on save and your link is going to be edited. So as you can see, link has been edited. So right now you are going to copy your link here. So once you copy your link, you are now going to find the traffic source. So as you can see, we are on Facebook right now, and this is my secret traffic source. Most of you might have been thinking, okay, everyone uses Facebook. How do I know where the people are coming from? Just hit the like button and pay close attention because I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, this is Facebook, and what you are going to do is that you are going to search for Cash App USA. So you are going to search for something like this. Once you search for Cash App USA, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see these are groups that you can join to promote your offer. So as you can see, this one has over 1,000 members. You can see 21,000 members. So this is the group that I've joined, and then this is also another group that I've joined. So there are several groups that you can join. So you are going to come right here and then you click on groups. So once you click on groups, you can see the groups that I've joined. So you are going to find groups like this and join. So once you join the groups, as you can see, many Cash App USA groups. As you can see, this is it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open the group and you are going to start posting. So let's open this group and I'll show you. As you can see, this is the group and it has 21.7k members. As you can see, let me show you. When you come to about, or you can see that this group, the location is in the United States. So let's go to the people and I will show you. You can see the location is in the United States. When you come to people, let me show you. When you come to the people, you can see that majority of these people are from the United States. You can see the admins and the moderators. So most of the people here are from the United States. You can see them right here. So when you click on see all, you are going to see that majority of these people are white men and women. So as you can see, a lot of them. So majority of these people are from the United States, as you can see. So what you are going to do is that you are going to now get your link available to these people so that they can click through it and then sign up for the offer. So you can see write something. So we are going to write something. So we are going to start writing. So you click on write something. Once you click on it, you see something like this, create post. And what we are going to do is that we are now going to create a post so that we can insert our link in the post. So I'm going to show you how. So as you can see, we are now going to write something. You are going to write something like get your PayPal gift card today. So we are going to add something like this, get your PayPal gift card today. So okay, let me add the card today. So for free, let's say for free. Remember to add for free because a lot of people like free things. So once you add a text like this, we are now going to put an emoji here. So you are going to come to Emojipedia and you are going to search for an emoji. So you are going to search for something like finger down so that we can get finger down. So let's search for this. We can see that we have gotten this image. So we are going to select one of them. So let's go with this. So once you select it, you are going to come right here and then click on copy. Once you click on copy, you are going to send it back to your post and you are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, you can see you are going to put something like this. It is real. You are going to put something like it is real. And you are going to add something like, let me add something like this. As you can see, I didn't want to waste your time. So I paused the recording and I've typed this text. So as you can see, get your PayPal gift card today for free. It is real, limited offer. only 100 people needed, so a lot of people are going to rush for it, so they want to take advantage of the 100 spot. So you have to put a small number that can get people to rush for the offer. So as you can see, just sign up with your email and get 1,000 gift card to spend. So once you add something like this, the next thing is that you are now going to add an emoji here. So we are going to go back to our emoji and then copy the finger again. Once you copy our emoji, you are going to come right here and then paste it here. Okay, so you are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, the next thing is that you are going to now paste your link here. So you are now going to paste your affiliate link right here. So let's do that. So you are going to come back to Bitly and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come right here and then paste it here. So you are going to paste it here, as you can see. So once you paste it here, you can see this is how it looks like. So let's delete this. You are going to delete that. So once you delete, you are going to now add an image to it. When you come to the offer, you can see this particular image. So you are going to use this image to get a lot of people to click through your affiliate link. So you are going to just right click. Once you right click, you are going to come here and then select this option, save image as. So once you select that option, you are going to save the image onto your PC. So once you've done that, the next thing is that you are going to upload the image here. So you are going to come right here, click on this particular icon, you see photo and slash video. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, you are now going to upload the image here. So I've done that already. So as you can see, select the image and you are going to add the image here. So as you can see the image here. So as you can see, this is how it is going to look like. So once this is done, you are going to check your sentence. If there is a mistake there, you have to correct it before you now post this particular link to the group. Once you read through your post and there is no mistake, the next thing is that you are going to separate this link, because most of the time Facebook ban affiliate links. So you are going to separate the L and then the comma here, so that Facebook will not recognize that it is a link. So if you leave it as a link, Facebook is going to ban your post. Once you separate it like this, you are going to give direction here so that people will know that they have to close the gap between the comma and the L so that the link can work. As you can see what I've done, close the gap between comma and L so that the link will work. Use this example here, as you can see it here. So let's add an emoji so that it can be clear. So as you can see, use this example here, as you can see it here. So once you give an example like this, they are going to get the clue to close the gap right here and the link will work for them. So if you don't separate it, Facebook will ban your affiliate link and it will not reach anyone. So make sure you remember to give a clear direction like this. So once everything is done, you are going to now click on post so that your post can go live onto this audience. So you are going to click on post right here. So once you click on post, you can see it is posting. You can see it has been posted onto this particular platform. So as you can see, when you scroll, you can see the post is live right here. You can see just now, and you can see the post is live on this particular platform. So you are going to be doing this so that you can reach out to a lot of people. So let's like it. You can also share it to other groups so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link. So you can click on share. You are going to share it to other groups. So you are going to come down here and then share to a group. You are going to share it to a different group. So you are going to scroll and then share it to another group. So as you can see, you are going to share your post to multiple groups so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link. So apart from Facebook, you can also come to this particular forum to promote your affiliate link. So the name of this forum is the Money Shed. So this is a forum that you can join to also promote your affiliate link. So when you join a forum like this, make sure you contribute first before you promote your affiliate link. Don't join the website to spam, because if you do, your account is going to be blocked. So make sure you register here and then you can participate in the forum, and as you participate, you can also share your link on the platform. When you come to what is new, then you come to new posts. When you come to new posts, as you can see, when you come here, you can see that this fellow has posted something in the matter of 51 minutes. You can see 97 views. You can see another person here. This is 45 views. You can see another one just today. You can see 5k views, you can see another one 3k views. So as I scroll, you can see another one 2k views, you can see 3k views, you can see 507k views, and then a lot more. As you can see, people are getting views here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to register for an account, then provide value before you share your links, so that you can get a lot of people to sign up for the offer. So when you come back to CPA Group, you are not limited to the United States. You can actually come here and then select any country that you want. So as you can see, there are many countries here that you can select to get offers, so that you can promote to people from the country that you have selected. So as you can see here, there are several countries. You can select any country here that you want. So let me demonstrate that for you. So when you come right here and then select Slovenia, for example, you can see that there are offers that you can also get higher payout. You can see $6.58, you can see $6.84, you can see $3.42, and as you scroll, you can see different offers. So any country that you select here, you are going to get offers, but make sure you promote your link to people from the country that you select here. So make sure you put that in mind. So this is CPA Group. You can also get CPA offers from other platforms like CPA Lead. You can also get some offers from Max Bounty. So you can join any of these platforms and you'll be promoting products for people to sign up with their email, so that you'll be earning commission per every action that they take. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. Once again, thank you for watching.